Night changes things. You can't see exactly how, but you can feel it in your bones.
We want to talk right down to earth.
Language that everybody here can easily